Pemirsa, perayaan Thanksgiving di AS tahun ini dirayakan pada 28 November. Menjadi kesempatan berkumpul keluarga menyantap kalkun panggang. Harga kalkun dan hidangan pendamping tetap tinggi. Meski karena mulasi stabilnya inflasi, peritel bisa lakukan perang paket hemat. Berikut laporan Nova Purwadi dari VOA.
Belanja untuk santap bersama pada perayaan Thanksgiving tahun ini berbeda dibandingkan masa-masa sebelum pandemi COVID.
You used to be able to just come in the store and pick out whatever. You didn't have to worry about it. But now you got to be more conscious with what you're buying and the pricing on what you're buying. So it makes it a little stressful this year.
Menurut pantauan Departemen Pertanian Amerika Serikat, harga makanan rata-rata naik sekitar 25% dari tahun 2019 hingga 2023. Inflasi kini telah mereda, tapi tingginya harga makanan memaksa konsumen lebih selektif.
I'm still budget conscious, more so now than I have been throughout the years. I'm hoping that it'll change next year. Let's hope so.
Merespon semangat berhemat konsumen, peritel-peritel terbesar menawarkan beragam paket hemat Thanksgiving. Walmart menawarkan paket santap Thanksgiving lengkap dengan kalkun seharga $55 yang bisa dinikmati hingga 8 orang. Target menawarkan paket $20 yang ditujukan bagi hingga 4 orang. Paket hemat di bawah $50 ditawarkan Aldi dan Lidl.
There are a lot of retailers that are offering bundles out there, but you can also shop with store brands and a mixture of some name brands and still save money. We think this is the year where you have a little bit more flexibility with some of the name brand choices as we've seen that pricing gap reduce.
Berdasarkan temuan Wells Fargo Agri-Food Institute, harga daging kalkun bermerek nasional seperti Butterball dan Perdue turun dibandingkan tahun sebelumnya.
National brands, I think coming out of COVID, when they were having to increase prices with the increase of a lot of the input costs, they have since come down to a place where things are normalized and they're stabilizing a bit.
Penurunan harga sebagian produk makanan ini, terutama kalkun sebagai hidangan utama, membuat peritel bisa menjual paket hemat.
We always look for those bargains, right, or whatever the deal is. And it may be you spend so many dollars in your basket and you get a discount on the turkey. Or there's buy one, get one things. You buy a turkey, you get a ham for free. Or there's things like that that the grocery stores use to get people in the store to buy that whole basket that they need for Thanksgiving. There's lots of retail strategies that go on around turkeys that really make it more interesting, I think. But particularly if you're looking around the store, we ought to expect more specials again because everybody needs a turkey at Thanksgiving.
Dua liburan yang identik dengan santap kalkun di Amerika Serikat, yaitu Thanksgiving dan Natal, selalu membawa pemasukan tambahan bagi supermarket dan industri sejenis. Menurut konsultan Circana, pemasukan untuk Thanksgiving tahun 2023 misalnya, menambah pemasukan supermarket sebesar sekitar $2,4 miliar. Pemasukan untuk Natal lebih besar lagi. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.